you can add a chat widget to any site or funnel. Any messages come right back into your conversations inbox, so you can respond quickly without juggling multiple tools. Click New, and then select the type of chat. I'll choose All-in-One. In the top right, you notice that Get Code and Save are not clickable. GoHighLevel tells us the agency website URL cannot be blank. If you see this message, before you start, you need to enter something for your agency website URL. To do that, click Back, and let's leave. We haven't done anything yet. Then click here to switch to Agency View. Then go to Settings, click on the Company tab in the left, and enter a company website. Once I do that, I'll scroll down and click Save Changes. Then we can return to our sub-account up top, then back to Sites, over to Chat Widget, and we can start over by editing the chat widget we started. On the left, you have some styling options. You can scroll down and customize your widget using these. There's also a widget customization section. In the middle, you can configure the chat window with the content that will be shown, and you have some control over the messaging. So you can see things like the live chat acknowledgements and more. Now when you're done, you can click Get Code, and you can copy this script to use on other sites. I'll close this, and I'll show you how you can use this on one of your GoHighLevel websites. So let's go back, click Websites, then click on a site to open it, go to Settings, scroll down, and here you can enable the chat widget. Then I'll save. If we preview from the home page, we should see the chat widget in the bottom right as we had configured it.